Namatay ka ba sa iyong panaginip? Hala, ito ang mga ibig sabihin nun. May iba't ibang possible meanings. Isa na doon ay transition, pagbago, paglipat, closing of one chapter and opening a new chapter of your life. Halimbawa, ending a relationship, iiba ka ng trabaho, lilipat ka ng ibang bansa, o gagraduate ka. Out with the old and in with the new. Pangalawa, may parte ka ng buhay mo na you want to escape. Baka toxic relationship, o baka toxic friend, toxic job na you want to escape that part of your life. So it's kind of related to the first one. Pangatlo, it could mean na napapabayaan mo na ang iyong sarili dahil pinaprioritize mo at inuuna mo yung mga iba't ibang tao or ibang bagay. Na parang your inner self is telling you na, huy, wag mo naman pabayaan ang iyong sarili mo.